Hey everyone, welcome back to SHIMA SABA. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys with something that I truly love. I really love shoes. And for me, I really love really good quality heels. I'm not the type of person that wears heels all the time, but when I do, I make sure that they're very, very comfortable. And not only that they're comfortable, but I love a shoe that looks good, that's very stylish, and that is in trend. And so luckily today, you guys, I will love to show you guys about the company called Cosy Island. If you've been searching for shoes that are comfortable, stylish, feminine, luxurious, and also eco-friendly, continue to watch this video, because I have found a great and wonderful company that I believe in and that you guys will love as well. So even better, I have a 10% discount code, so you can guys go check the description underneath this video, and as well as click the affiliation links. So Cosy Island was created for women who want to feel comfortable, stylish, without having to sacrifice rubber for all their comfort and flexibility. So they sent me 3 pairs of shoes. So this is the first shoe here. See how beautiful they are? The second pair. I really love how this looks. This looks very agile. And this is the third pair that they sent. So let me show you guys how I'm going to pair this out with an outfit. I'll be right back. So these are the soft wave cutout block heel mules. And I love the sleek shape right here. And as you can see, the wedge heel is kind of flared out at the bottom. And I got styles right here, you guys see. And I love the straps on the shoe. And I can just imagine myself just wearing these. Like, I have the jeans on. Perfect for that. Perfect for these type of shoes. Even wider pair of pants. And also just like a really cute black dress can go well with this. This is perfect to me for spring and summertime. And as well, I can imagine yourself wearing this with black stockings and a nice skirt and a trench coat, you know, a pea coat jacket if you want. But I really love the sleek of this, the style of this. And they also have the logo on here. And yeah, I just really love these shoes. It's very unique. So next we have up are the 𝐬𝐲𝐫𝐸 pointed toe low heel mules. And I absolutely love this color. Like, look at this blush pink color. This can go well with so many clothes that I have, like nice white dresses, floor dresses. I'm just going to pair this off with this one dress that I have, but I really, really love this shoe. And I can just imagine myself like going on like little picnics, you know, going to just different evenings, different events. And I love that the fact that these heels are so low that they won't hurt my feet, but at the same time, it looks very stylish. I love the pointiness of this to give this sophisticated look. And I also love how this strap comes across, and it's very simplistic, and I really love how this looks. I'm very excited to wear this, and I'm very excited for it to wear just to get warm. So this definitely is going to be like one of my go-to shoes or heels for this summertime and the spring as well. So finally, we have the 𝐾𝐸 pointed toe mules. Aren't these so beautiful? These are the very first ones that I just seen. I absolutely love. This can go with anything, like anything you can pair this off with. Just look how, like, the heel is not that small. It's a bit of a kitten heel, but it's not that low of a heel. Very comfortable to wear. Feels like you're walking on clouds. I'm serious. And how breathable the material is, if you guys can see, it's have these holes in them, like these little, the designs, the fabric is, it's like your feet don't feel sweaty or doesn't feel like it's congested in your shoe. Because I know sometimes shoes or heels, they can make me feel that way. And I imagine wearing these for a very extended amount of time, it would not feel that way just based off of me wearing this. And I really love how it feels, and I really love the look and the feel of this shoe. Yes, Cosy Island, you guys are going to be taking a lot of my money. It's really, I really love these shoes, and I really love the fact of what it is doing for the environment, also for this shoe. So I'm styling this with a simple yellow dress. As you guys can see, this goes very well for the springtime as well for the summertime. And I just want to just find something that's very loose, but something that's fitting, just to see how it looks, just to play it up, just to be a little bit, you know, a little bit spicy there, but not too spicy. So I just want to pair this out with this yellow dress that you guys see me wearing as well. So whether you want to dress it up or you want to keep it casual, or if you want to just look like that laid back chill chick, Cozy Island definitely has a shoe for whatever style that you're going for without sacrificing your comfort. You can take care of your feet, because feet health is very, very important. And like I said in the beginning, this is a little gift that I'm going to share with you guys. This is the discount code that you guys can type in by using the affiliation link that I have in the bottom of the description, YT10 𝐿𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞. So make sure that you check out with that code so you can get 10% off any shoe that you guys will love. So in the comments below, let me know which pair of shoes were your favorite, and also how would you wear that. Give me some recommendation, give me some tips, because I may go back to the vision board, go back to my closet and try it on with some different types of looks. Hope you guys love this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, peace.